When it comes to building work of art, one-of-a-kind custom creations, we don't create with canvas, acrylics, or a paintbrush. We use rock, gravel, and water as our media. Join us as we pool together a carefully curated collection of stunning water feature works from certified aquascape contractors around the world, where we begin to see the collective power of the tradesmen and tradeswomen who form the world's most unique tribe of water feature artists. And we experience the incredible way the hands of these artists replicate nature and shape the world around us. Aquascape is pleased to announce Hands of the Artist, a full-color hardcover coffee table book featuring stunning, handcrafted aquascape water features that are brought to you by Aquascape and our talented tribe of certified aquascape contractors. You'll go behind the scenes to learn the story behind each build and gain an insider's perspective on all it takes to bring each unique water feature to life, including build specifications, products used, and installation prices. A work of art unto its own, Hands of the Artist won't disappoint. Page by page and build by build, you'll be mesmerized by the stunning artistry of our work. Hands of the Artist will be a treasured and timeless keepsake for you and those who enjoy living the aquascape lifestyle. Order your copy of Hands of the Artist today.